3D Intelligent Robot Palletizing System. Foshan Udigia focus on intelligent palletizing system research and development. Dedicated for many years, the first global 3D vision AI palletizing robot system. Combined with AGV intelligent logistics, truly realize the entire printing linkage line intelligent no loading, no palletizing, intelligent storage management. Revolutionary intelligent palletizing system. Using 3D vision intelligent recognition. Break through the traditional mechanical automatic palletizing. 3D vision intelligent recognition mechanism. After the carton is packed by the baler, it passes through the visual intelligent recognition mechanism, and the 3D camera automatically takes pictures. Combined with the unique AI algorithm of Udigia intelligence, the intelligent recognition mechanism will automatically identify whether the packaging belt is qualified, and the carton will be removed to the side when it is detected that it is unqualified. If 2 consecutive cartons are detected as unqualified, the system alarms and suspends the palletizing operation to prevent unpacking. At the same time, the visual intelligent recognition structure automatically detects the length, width and height of the whole carton, as well as the carton size. Combined with the length and width parameters of the pallet, the system automatically generates 8 to 10 types of palletizers through AI algorithms, and the optimal stack type is calculated. If there is no manual intervention within 5 seconds, the system will choose the best stack type to enter the working state by default. During the palletizing process, the manipulator will automatically rotate according to the size of the carton to ensure that the whole carton is palletized neatly and smoothly. The intelligent palletizing robot adopts the 4-axis Model 180 robot from Kawasaki, Japan. High efficiency and stability, the highest speed single package 22 packages/min, double package 36 packages/min. Combined with the pallet automatic conveying mechanism, automatic alignment mechanism, automatic paper separation mechanism, the whole carton not only palletized neatly, placed stably, and the whole process without manual intervention. Double safety protection. In addition to the traditional safety guardrail, Udigia Intelligent is equipped with a thermal response camera. As long as someone enters the dangerous area, the system automatically alarms, to achieve full coverage of the working range of the mechanical arm safety protection, and build double safety protection together with the guardrail. The small permanent pallet cartons are delivered through the logistics system, and the whole pallet can be packed or wrapped with winding film according to the need, and then transported to the storage location or the shipping terminal of the system instruction by Udigia Intelligent AGV. It overcomes the disadvantages of traditional AGV static storage location management and low utilization rate of storage location. Udigia Intelligent AGV, through LiDAR guidance and AI actuarial algorithm, adopts dynamic warehouse location management. Only the necessary access interval between each stack of cartons is retained, and the limited warehouse resources are maximized. With access to WMS and MWS systems, the Udigia AGV can easily deliver one piece. The AI algorithm developed by the Udigia Intelligent team for many years is combined with a 3D intelligent visual recognition system to deeply enable the printing linkage line, and the intelligent brain is installed on the West palletizing machine to realize intelligent look and efficient work.